Right guys, I've got the actual review on the iPhone for near glass back off of eBay for £10, which is pretty good. You get an Angry Bird case. I know that some people love Angry Birds. Right, I've just got in from going on my bike and I watched some videos on YouTube about the other alternative glass backs for the iPhone, or metal backs. And I watched this one about a metal glass back, and he had some problem with the metal bit around it. Because when he was trying to use the camera, apparently it was like blocking the top corners. But I don't know the screen. Imagine a fisheye. It's basically was like that, but on the top bit, not the bottom bit as well. And he cracked the bottom bit as well, and he was trying to take it off because it's plastic and not metal. And I didn't check this, so I can't tell that. Sorry. I can't be bothered to take it because I've basically landed nuts in the bottom. Don't do that. It's not good. And yeah, so this is the final review on it. It's very good. I like it. There's nothing wrong with it. Apart from the fact that I've got no bars. So might be a fault. Yeah. I'll have to post something about that. Sorry about that, boy. I'll have to post something on the video about that when we've sorted it out. I'm just going to start my phone so right now. Yeah, lovely case, really good quality. Like I fell off earlier on my bike and I only had the little Angry Birds case on, which isn't much. Really. It's just making sure the back doesn't get touched, to be honest. Nothing, no real protection on that. And it didn't crack. But I landed right on my phone, so it's pretty lucky. I wish I'd had a metal case on, which is quite annoying. So yeah, it's strong, it's good quality. It's not just cheaply printed on the back of the cover, like the Apple logo. I think it's quite good quality on there actually, because it's not scratched as well. That's what I do. Well, I'm not very good with my phone, to be honest. I throw it about again like a bit. Like the other day, I just had it on my table here, and I had it in my other case. I thought, let me test the case. I just threw it off. As a new. So yeah, that is the final review on the iPhone for the glass back case. I would highly recommend it. It's very nice and it's very luxurious, to be honest. It's just nice to look at it. Shame it's got the front camera, to be honest, because like if you could do something, if you know when you say like the old when like there's all crappy Nokis and stuff, and you always have to use the back camera like that. You couldn't see what you're doing, and you normally took pictures of the wall instead of you, so that wasn't very good. But if that didn't have it, you could take a picture yourself, couldn't you? Which would be good. So yeah, that's the final review on the iPhone 4 case, or iPhone 4 glass back. Very nice, £10 on eBay, or you can just find some other ones. But if you are going to look for some other ones, or find it, if you've not watched the video before this, then make sure that on the picture it has like some little pointy up stickiness. So basically, say that's it, say it says like stuff like that. Imagine it's like a little hook, because if you don't have that, it's not going to even go into the case. Basically, it'll just go. So yeah, that's it. If I could get a rate, comment, or subscribe, that'd be perfect. If you want some reviewing, then just comment or post on my channel. I'm going to be getting a fisheye SLR lens that I can stick onto the back of this to review as well, because yeah, I want it. It looks really cool. It's like 180 degrees like that. I'll be reviewing that soon. I'm going to be getting a waterproof case as well to test that out. So just comment on anything, even if it's like for BlackBerry. So I've got a BlackBerry upstairs, or if there's some apps you want testing that you don't want to buy, or just generally anything, just in comment or something. Yeah, that's it. iReview42. Rate, comment, or subscribe. Cheers.